Hello everyone and welcome to this session. Today I want to share with you a small issue found in Hibernate when using this annotation dynamic update. So it seems that the annotation dynamic update is not properly working. So let's demonstrate the bug. Using this example, I have a simple entity person and I have some fields that should be filled on some event like pre-process or pre-update. I'm using 5.6.11 version, and this is my example. I am just creating an object and persisting it, and after that I'm doing some change, so another update should be sent to the database. In the first example, I am not using this dynamic update. Just to see the difference, I'm using ish2 database. So let's start run this program. So in persistence XML, we see that I'm enabling this parameter to see the parameters here, and you see two statements have been sent to the database, and we can check the result in the database. Select from person, and you see both fields are filled. So the creation, date, time step, all on the second one. The second one is filled on this event, so it happens automatically whenever an entity has been changed. And now let's enable this annotation to see the difference. We stop the database and we run again, and you will see here that only those fields that have been changed are updated. So it is a bit different than the last time, and we can confirm that in the database when we check here. So it is still working, and we see that only the two fields has been updated. Now, instead of using normal fields, I prepared this class. This is an embeddable one. So I just put all this, so I don't need this anymore. Instead of that, I will out comment all of this, and instead of that, we will use this entity meta info new entity meta info. So I'm using now, so the logic is transferred to this embeddable class. We can have a look again. So I have two callback function or methods that are called. The first one is called when you process the entity for the first time, and the second method is triggered when you make updates. So let's stop, and first test, we will not use this annotation, and we run again the test, and you see the output. So we have an insert and then an update, and you see that all fields has been updated, and we can check in the database. So it is working now. Now let's use the parameter or the annotation and try again, and let's see in the logs. So you see the first insert, everything is okay, and the update, because in my program I am just setting the gender here, so only this has been changed, and there is no trace of updated date stamp. We can check in the database, and it confirms. So it is empty or null, and this means that dynamic update is not working when you are using embeddable fields. It is definitely or obviously it is a bug, and this is all. You should only be aware of that. So thank you for watching, and bye.